Recently, the Philippines has won its very first gold medal in the Olympics held this year at Tokyo, Japan. Thanks to Miss Hidilyn Diaz for bringing this amazing victory to us. Winning the women's 55 kilograms weightlifting category just by 1 kilogram against the silver medal China was definitely not an easy feat. Literally, she carried the country to success. But if you followed Hidilyn's story, you will realize that it was not an easy journey getting that Olympic gold. So like Hidilyn, how do you succeed in achieving your goals? Be it winning a gold in the Olympics or making it big time as a content creator in this platform like YouTube. Be passionate. Like Hidilyn, being the first ever Filipino to compete in weightlifting in 2008 Beijing Olympics, and after 13 years winning the Olympic gold medal just shows how passionate she is about this sport. It is very important to love what you do because we will always give our best for it. Work hard. We know that athletes train really hard not only for the competition but regularly even if there is no sports event. They train not only physically but mentally and emotionally. Practice always makes progress in everything we do. Be persistent and focus. I saw that footage of Hidilyn's winning moment, and you can clearly see her focus and persistence during that final lift that got her the gold. By solely focusing on your goal and persevering to achieve it, surely it will give you a bigger chance of achieving it than someone who just waits for opportunities to come their way. Push the limits. Needing to beat Liao's 223 kg in her final lift, Diaz cleared an Olympic record-setting 127 kg in her third try to hike her tally to 224 kg and snag the elusive gold. She definitely pushed her limit, fueled by passion to bring home the victory. In order to succeed, we must be willing to get out of our comfort zone and face our fears, because in those times, we will realize our strengths. Be good. Even after the controversies Hidilyn faced before going to Tokyo to compete, she did not falter. The financial challenges she had did not hinder her from pursuing that Olympic dream. She still proudly represented the country, and she exceedingly did so. Yes, there will be obstacles along the way, but if we continue to be good in handling the adversities, this will all pass. And with enough patience, soon success will come our way. Let Hidilyn's story be an inspiration to all of us who are in our own journeys to success. It may be different depending on how we define it to the rest of the world. In our own ways, we can also be true champions.